In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use coupons in Gohighlevel 2026 step by step. We'll start inside Gohighlevel. First, make sure you're logged in and working inside the correct sub-account because coupons are managed at the sub-account level. Once you're in the right place, head over to the payments section. This is where Gohighlevel keeps your billing tools, including invoices, products, and of course, coupons. At the top menu inside Payments, click on Coupons. This will open your coupon management area where you can view existing offers or create a new one. From here, click Create Coupon to begin setting everything up. Now you'll enter the basic coupon details. Start by typing in a coupon name. This is usually for your internal organization, so make it clear and easy to recognize later. After that, type in the coupon code. This is the code your customers will actually enter at checkout, so keep it simple, readable, and easy to remember. Next, choose the coupon type. This determines how the discount will be applied, so be sure to select the option that matches the promotion you want to run. Then add the start date and time. This is helpful if you want the coupon to become active at a specific moment, especially for launches or limited time promotions. After that, add the end date and time so the offer automatically stops when your campaign is over. You'll also see coupon usage rules and restrictions. This section is important because it controls how often the coupon can be used and any limits tied to it. Take a moment here to review your settings carefully so the promotion behaves the way you expect. Once everything looks good, click Create. With the coupon created, the next part is making it usable on your funnel. Go to Sites, then click on Funnels. Open the funnel you want to use and edit the specific order form step where your one-step or two-step order form is located. This is the page where customers will be entering their payment details. Inside the editor, look over to the right-hand side for the order form settings. In that settings area, look for the coupon options. Once you find them, enable coupon codes. This allows your customers to enter the coupon during checkout and receive the discount you configured earlier. That's it. Your coupon is now created in payments and enabled on your funnel order form. As a final tip, always double check the code, the active dates, and the order form settings before sharing the promotion publicly, so your customers have a smooth checkout experience.